Welcome to my channel Titumir Math. Today we are going to solve this equation x cube minus 1 equals to 0. What is the value of x? We know that this is a cubic equation. The value of x is more than 1. First of all, we have to solve this equation a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube. What is the formula? The formula of this a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. We know that in this formula. Next, solution. X cube minus of 1 cube equals to 0. X cube x minus 1 x square plus x into 1 plus of 1 square. Since a product of two factor is 0, that's why x minus 1 equals to 0 and x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0. Here we can write x equals to 1. This is the one value of x. And here is 2 value. Because we know that this is a quadratic equation. We know that quadratic equation of quadratic is always come at least 2 value of x. We cannot use this trick middle term. That's why we have to try another types. We know that x equals to minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is a formula of Sridhar Acharya. We know that x square, here is when we compare this equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, quotient of x square is a, quotient of x is b, and remaining part is c, that is constant part. We compare this equation to this equation. Here is a equals to 1, b equals to 1, c equals to 1, because quotient of x square is 1, quotient of x is 1, and remaining part is 1. Since x square, quotient of x square equals to a, that's why a equals to 1. Quotient of x is b, that's why b equals to 1, and remaining part, constant part, is here c. And next we use this formula x equals to minus b. Minus b is 1 plus minus root over of b square, b means 1 square minus 4, a means 1, c means 1, and next 2 into a means 1. Next, minus 1 plus minus root over of 1 square 1, 4 into 1 4, 2 into 1 2, equals to minus 1 plus minus root over of minus 3 by 2. We know that complex number root over of minus 1 equals to iota, means I. That's why we can write this equation minus 1 plus minus root over of minus 3 into root over of minus 1 by 2, because we know that root over of a into b equals to root over of a dot root over of b. Next, we can write this minus 1 into I minus 1 plus minus root over 3 into I by 2. Here we can write x equals to minus 1 plus root over 3I by 2 and x equals to minus 1 minus root over 3I by 2. This is two roots. Final the answer x cube minus 1 equals to 0. The value of x equals to 0 comma minus 1 plus root 3I by 2 minus 1 minus root 3I by 2. When we are use this formula into complex number, we can write is omega and omega square. This is the value of omega and omega square of complex number. This is final answer. Thank you for watching and press the bell icon and subscription button for the next video. Thank you.